Hi, welcome to another edition of Science for Dummies. Today, we're going to be talking about chemical synthesis. Some of you might ask yourselves, well, what in the world is chemical synthesis? It's when you take two different elements and that creates a compound. Today, we'll be talking about hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen and how that combining them makes a compound. Jesse, why don't you tell them what that makes?
Hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon all make a chemical called nandrolone. Nandrolone is a naturally occurring anabolic steroid hormone inside the human body. It is similar to testosterone.
Nandrolone is similar to testosterone, except nandrolone does not have the masculine properties as testosterone does. The positives of nandrolone is increased muscle mass, increased bone density, and increased red blood cells. Jesse, why don't you tell us who discovered?
In 1930, scientists discovered nandrolone, and in 1950 they started using it in sports by the Russians. The Russians used nandrolone in the 1950s and gave it to Russian bodybuilders, and they noticed that they had increased lifting gains and that their lifts went way higher than they were before. Nandrolone became very popular in the 1980s and was the preferred choice by athletes everywhere. Two scientists in the 1930s were working desperately hard on trying to figure out chemical synthesis. They were mixing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen together, trying to figure out what they could get. They were mixing them in different formulas, and one day they finally figured it out. They discovered nandrolone.
I've got it! I'm the one who discovered it.
No, I'm the one who discovered it.
I did all the hard work.
Whatever, I'm out of here.
Yeah.
I did it! He did it! He figured out nandrolone! Oh my gosh! He's gonna be famous! Everyone's gonna want to get this stuff.
Here we have our two top scientists who just got the award for the best science discovery of the year. They discovered nandrolone, C18H26O2. They have won the grand prize.
Yeah! Oh boy!
Like the scientist said, nandrolone is used in the medical field to treat different types of conditions. Some of these conditions include anemia, osteoporosis, and different types of tumors. But in the sports world, it has been overused and abused by athletes.
Blue, 42, oxygen 2, C18, H26, Mike.
Test 1. Before nandrolone.
Mike. Come on, pass!
Test 2. Before nandrolone.
Oh, let's go, let's go!
Test 3. Before nandrolone.
Got you, Jesse. Hey Doc, this week I've been feeling really fatigued. You have anything to give me?
Well, we have some nandrolone here. Here, take some of this.
Thanks, Doc.
Test 1. After nandrolone.
Blue, 42, O2, hike.
Oh!
Test 2. After nandrolone.
Ah! No, 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 no!
Test 3. After nandrolone. Note, nandrolone does not fix accuracy.
In conclusion, anything in overuse can cause problems. It's better to do things the right way. Eat right, exercise. Don't take steroids.
Disclaimer to this video, we do not support or use steroids at all. We are not telling you to use or abuse steroids at all. This is just a warning video to you. We are not responsible for anything that happens to you.
This is not actually Nandrolone. This is olive and jalapeno juice. Yum. Merry Christmas. We love you, Mrs. Giannis.